Anderson College is one of Canada's oldest colleges, having opened its first location in 1885. Anderson has trained over 100,000 students during its over 140 years of history and continues to be an empowering partner for those who are experiencing career challenges and transitioning to the next phase of their lives.
We are an accredited program. We are approved by the College of Early Childhood Educators and recognized, which means that when students graduate this program, they are able to apply to be a registered early childhood educator and practice in the field. And we're protected by the title Registered Early Childhood Educator. As an early childhood educator, you get to work with a wide range of ages. You can work with infants, toddlers, preschoolers, and school agers, really anywhere from infancy to about 12 years of age. And of course, there are other situations or contexts where you can work with even older children. So there's a wide range of ages that you're able to work with.
So the ECE course involves two parts. One part is academic part. When we do a lot of studies here, we study the theorists, we study behavioral guidance, right, and the foundations of EC, and we have a practical area where students go on placement and they practice what they have learned here in life and have the opportunity to start their career and developing their skills. So we do different things. We do, of course, PowerPoint presentations, but what I like the most is discussion, is giving the students the opportunity to share their thoughts and to think together.
The program is 4 semesters. It's modular. There's a ton of courses on, for example, child development, working with infants and toddlers, working with preschoolers, working with school agers. There's a course on Indigenous early learning, as well as social policy in Canada in the context of early childhood education. And we have 3 practicums for the student.
Because early childhood education is not only for future careers, but also for the future of the community. We're learning here what we can contribute to the community.
And EC is there. We are there when we support children, when we give them the support that they need. We bring them the opportunities to develop their skills and be the best human beings that they can be.